My name is Barney Potter. I'm the project coordinator of YouthNet Réseau Ado Ottawa, which is a for youth by youth mental health education, promotion, and early intervention program. So we're rooted in youth engagement, which is the for youth by youth model.
I think that youth engagement is something that's ever changing. So youth are, from decade to decade, from year to year even, are going to change ideals and are going to change needs and various things like that. But I think that it's that constant involvement with young people in the inner workings and the outer workings of your organization. So for example, I think that when it comes to a strategic plan for YouthNet, we have to involve a young person if we want the long-term goals to continue to be youth engagement. Our Youth Advisory Committee. And there's a number of different ways that one, we have involved young people within the creation of the committee. Two, that we involve young people in the creation with our entire program. So I find that that is really the hub of keeping young people engaged.
But one key thing that young people are involved in is the hiring of our staff. So whether that be our office staff or youth facilitators, for example, they tell us whether or not somebody is youth friendly. So somebody could have the most amazing resume, all the credentials that we would be looking for, but yet if they don't talk to the young person like they are a person, and if they aren't engaging with the young person, then obviously they won't be engaging out in the community, and the young person is able to tell us that.
I've only actually been here for maybe 2 weeks, and it's been like the most positive experience, honestly. Like when you walk into situations like this where you say like the youth voice is heard, you kind of just assume like maybe it's heard a bit, and I kind of just assume I was doing paperwork, but like my opinion's like genuinely valued here, and like I've been asked a lot of questions, and I've gone on like outside meetings and like adults who like value my opinion and like talking to me, and like I am a youth, so like I can like quite literally see the youth engagement in action.
It's a process that some days you feel like you're doing it really, really well, and some days you feel like you should be doing a better job. But it's a process of how we engage youth in the work we're doing and making sure that the work that we're doing with them is meaningful. I think youth want to be engaged, and they want to be engaged in meaningful work. They don't want to come in and just file envelopes. They want to come in and they want to have a say in what's going on with not only programming, but talk about what's happening out in the community in terms of mental health work, or like for the work that we do, stuff that's related to mental health. They want to know that they're not just talking, and that there's actually action coming out of that talking, so that if we engage them on a certain topic or a certain idea and getting feedback, that something's done with that feedback. That we're not, that those results aren't just put in a drawer, but that we're actually integrating it into the work.